Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science in Class 10. To truly excel, begin by understanding the core concepts thoroughly. Avoid rote memorization. Instead, focus on why things happen. Break down large topics into smaller, digestible parts, making them easier to grasp. Use diagrams and flowcharts to visualize processes and relationships. Connecting new information to what you already know will significantly enhance your learning and retention. Active learning is crucial for success. Don't just passively read. Engage with the material. Ask questions in class and participate in discussions to solidify your understanding. Consistent practice is key, so aim to solve at least 20 questions daily from each science subject. Work through all the exercises in your textbook and any example problems. This helps you identify your weak areas, allowing you to dedicate extra time to improve them. Effective revision is essential for long-term retention. Create your own concise notes, summarizing key points and formulas for quick review. Don't wait until the last minute. Revise all topics regularly throughout the year. Practice with previous year's question papers, simulating exam conditions to manage your time effectively. If you encounter challenging concepts, discuss them with your peers or teachers to gain a clearer understanding. For exam preparation, developing a consistent study schedule is vital. Stick to it diligently to ensure all topics are covered. Prioritize your study time based on the weightage of different topics in your exams. Maintaining a positive mindset and managing any exam stress will significantly impact your performance. Remember to get adequate sleep and eat nutritious food. These habits are just as important as your studies for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.